Hi everybody. I thought that I would make this short video to go over the content of 665E. Now 665E is a new course. This is the first time that it's going to be run, and the content is a little different. There are some caveats to it that you may not be familiar with, having taught other courses, so I thought that I would take a minute to go over it with you. This is slated to start 4/29, and so let's see. The syllabus runs similarly as the other courses. I tried to pair this one up with the didactic course so that the content is similar. Oh, good, they changed it already. They had the assignment weight was incorrect, and I just sent an email to get it changed, and they're very quick, so they changed that. We have the course materials. Students should have these books already. At this point in the program, I really didn't feel compelled to have them buy any new books. The one thing I did was this one, the Codina Family Nurse Practitioner Certification Intensive Review. I used this book as a resource for the quiz questions that they will be taking each week, and we'll go over that in just a second. Let's see. The late policy is the same. Academic integrity, of course, is the same. Ethics, plagiarism, disabilities, basic APA, grading scale is the same. And here's the course summary. So now I'm going to go back here into the modules so that we can go through a little bit here. Now we have faculty resources up here. I'm not sure if there's anything in here, and there's not, so let's go on. Faculty resources and expectations of faculty. These are not any different than any other practicum. This is the one that is different, creating a peer review assignment. So I would like you to go over the steps, because the assignment that's due week 8, and I'm going to go to the module for week 8, is a PowerPoint presentation. It's a case study presentation, and it is peer review. So the students will be grading each other's assignments. Now, unfortunately, there is no interface to allow those grades to flow into the grade book. So you as a faculty member will have to take that grade and put it in the grade book. However, the grading in itself, you will not have to do. That will be done by the classmates. We start out with the introduction form like we always do, and the Typhon entries. Now this is a little different. We have started a Business of Healthcare worksheet as one of the assignments. Make sure that you follow the rubrics, and so this one is a little different, a different assignment than what they may be used to. And the weekly quiz. So each week the students are going to be taking a 5-question quiz. And I wanted to go over this with you. Now, the content is close to... oh, this is only supposed to be 5, but that's okay. The content is close to what the content is that they're following in the didactic course, but it is not the same. The purpose of this is to prep them for the certification exam. So when you do your introduction of the course to your students, I would advise them that these questions are, they don't carry a lot of weight actually, so The purpose of it is to prepare them for that certification exam. That's what's most important. Okay, and I'm going to have to look at that because there's only supposed to be 5 questions per quiz per week. I made 10 questions so that we could have a larger bank, so I may have to go in and change that. So week 2, we've got the Typhon entries, the SOAP notes, their weekly quiz, and then the time estimation. Week 3, SOAP notes, the weekly quiz, and the time estimation. Week 4, we have evaluations, their weekly quiz. Week 5, Typhon, SOAP notes, their quiz. Week 6, SOAP notes, their weekly quiz. And then week 7, their weekly quiz. Week 8, Typhon, the case study presentation, which will be peer reviewed. The clinical skills checklist. Let's see. I want to make sure this is the right form. Okay. Alrighty. And then, let's see, going on down. The final evaluation, the NP Preceptor CE form, evaluation, the weekly quiz, and time estimation quiz. So you can see the emphasis of practicum for this is the quiz. We have that business thing in the first, and then the case study presentation along with the SOAP notes. Since this is the first time that the course is running, would you please be so kind as to tell me what works and what doesn't work? The quizzes auto grade, so you don't have to worry about that. So it may look like more work, but it isn't really, because the members of the class are going to do their peer review. You essentially will be doing the SOAP notes, and you will be grading the assignment on this one, the Business of Healthcare worksheet. Other than that, it's SOAP notes as usual. And hopefully by this point, students should have a good grasp on the development of a SOAP note. We can hope. Let me see. I think that is all I wanted to go over. As I said, I'm going to look at that quiz to make sure that that's taken care of, because there are only supposed to be 5 questions per quiz. Other than that, if you have any questions, please let me know. And again, please let me know what's working and what's not working as you move in this course. Thank you.